Hey Remy, Lily's gonna read you a story. I got you a new book. Can you see it? The Itsy Bitsy Duckling. It's by Jeffrey Burton and illustrated by Sonja Resick. Anyway, we're gonna read the Itsy Bitsy Duckling. All right, here we go. The Itsy Bitsy Duckling swam in the waterway. You see the pictures? You see the little duck, Remy? All right. Uh-oh. Down came the rain. Oh, and chased the snow away. Out came the sun, and the birds began to sing. You see the little birds, Remy? The cold winter was over. At long last, it was spring. The flowers in the pasture all began to grow. Sleepy ones woke up to yawn and say hello. How cute! You see the little bears waking up, Remy? With all their new friends, it was fun to have someone to play with. See the little rabbit, there's a bunny, there's a little bluebird, and a porcupine, there's a frog, and the itsy bitsy duck. As the itsy bitsy duckling, see the little duck, Remy? Played in the bright, warm sun with all her little friends. You see the little friends? The end, Remy. That's our book, The Itsy Bitsy Duckling. And Lily sure does miss you. I can't wait to see you. And happy Easter. I love you, Remy. Next time with Story Time with Lily. Love you.